My name's Kieran Blare.
And tell me your profession is.
I'm a waiter.
Amazing. And tell me how you found the last week. How's it been?
I feel like it's like you have to soak up all the info because they're throwing a lot at you. So make sure you soak it up. You can put it into your deal sourcing when you're ready to do your deal sourcing.
Amazing. But have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, I have enjoyed it. I feel like the team, especially Tyrone and Deborah, like I really like them. Really supportive.
Have they got good energy? Is it kind of like inspiring?
Like I feel like I'm their friend. Like I'm family to them already. Like talk to me, giving me methods. They know that I haven't. Like I'm not experienced, so they're sharing some of their experience with me to make stuff easier.
Lovely. And in terms of Samuel, how has it been watching him on stage?
It's like inspiring, like knowing what he's done already in property, and that's what I want to. That's what I want to achieve. So I really liked it.
Amazing. And final question: what advice would you give to someone who's looking to get into property?
Like, not only are you going to be learning, you're going to be around lots of other people that are willing to learn, and like not only can you network here, you're learning the skills to be what you like, to do what you want. So